Hello guys. So today it's gonna be Solana, and I believe everyone is excited about the last price action in the crypto world, like 40% gains and 30% gains in some cryptos. Yeah, even Solana. So Solana, from this low in from the beginning of August, we had a really big climb from around $70 to, yeah, we reached for $100. Now, is the main correction over? Well, it depends. In my main interpretation, in my main wave count, it is not. It is not. Why is that? So let me show you my wave counts. So from the top here, from around September, one possibility is that we have 1, 2, 3, and actually this was not only 4. In previous video I had this here as a completed 4th wave, and here the 5th wave still developing. But with this price action that we took out this top over here, I have reasons to believe that actually the correction is extended. It extended. So if this is a 3-wave move, it's still a WXY. That's still certain. WXY, but instead of the entire move as a wave 4, as a WXY, this as a 3-wave move is actually a wave A. And now this as a 3-wave move looks like a 3-wave move, a wave B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an expanded diagonal for wave C. So the only difference is that I had the wave 4 here that could be finished, but with this wave counts, expanded flat may have unfolded. And now from here we can expect a retracement to, yeah, at least the beginning of this expanded expanding diagonal. Now, other thesis is, well, in fact, this is over, and actually, yeah, wave 5 could have ended here. It was so abrupt that wave 4 is a very, very small. Well, it's a possibility, but until this is proven, until we have like a clear 5 with a clear 3, and then we go up from here, well, it needs to prove itself. Until now, corrective price action is still unfolding. As you see, A, B, C, this is still corrective. And to believe that an expanding diagonal, and we see here that 1, 2, 3, so it's ABC, ABC. So it's not the leading diagonal with 5 waves for wave 1, 3, and 5. It looks like actually a 5-3, sorry, a 3-3-3-3 diagonal. So it's a low probability setup to believe that, well, we are going up from here to higher highs. So the other thesis is that we are still in a corrective, and this is my 2 main wave counts at the moment. We are still correcting. The only difference is that the first one, the black wave count, is that actually wave 4 extended at actually a very simple correction as ABC instead of a WXY. So WXY was just the wave A of a larger wave 4, and now we have to finish wave 5. So the other thesis is that we are still in a corrective phase, but instead of this being wave 4, this could be wave A. So as you can see, this would be instead corrective as it is. This is a 3-wave move. This is a 3-wave move. We are tracking a flat, but instead of 3, 3, and 5, this could be 3, 3, 3. So instead, this could be a W, X, and Y to finish wave 4. So with a 3-wave move for wave A, for a larger wave A, this could be expanded flat for A, and we are still going down from here. We have two important wave counts that indicate that this is clearly this is almost finished or already finished, and we are going to move down from here. The only difference is that this is corrective. So this is A, and now B, and C. Other thesis could be that actually wave A finished here, wave B finished here, and now we are in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave C of B. That's other way to do it. I don't prefer it because yeah, diagonals are very low probability, so we have to see how price will react to Fibonacci levels over here. For example, yeah, 0.6, yeah, for example, the 0.618, for example, we'll see how price will react reaching these levels. But for now, this is the main thesis I have. This is still wave 4 in a black count, and we are going down in wave 5 to finish a larger, flat. So other way to count it is that this could be 3-wave move for W. This is X, WXY for X. X waves can be any corrective pattern. And now instead of 1, 2, 3, we have A, B, C to finish a larger wave A as a complex structure. And now we have a flat for wave A. Now we will have B and go up from here on wave C to complete a larger wave B. And now, being this a flat or a complex structure, we could reach at the 90%, for example, reach almost the top here, or even go a little bit slight higher than this, because flats, they can be expanded flats, so they can go, yeah, to higher highs. And then after that, because of the complexity of this, of the corrective movements that we are tracking here, then unfortunately we can expect a severe wave C to lower levels, lower than $60 for Solana. So that's my interpretation for Solana, and yeah, most of the cryptos are following something similar like this. So I was expecting different, to be honest. I was expecting this to be finished soon, but the new price action that is unfolding opened the door to a different interpretation, to a more corrective interpretation. And even if we go higher from here, it's still in the corrective way, or it seems like it needs to prove itself, but it seems like it. Doesn't mean that is not a good opportunity. Yeah, it could be a good opportunity because, yeah, wave B could reach around $200. Yeah, it's true. Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin went, what, 40% up? Yeah. So it's still good opportunities. Just be aware that with time and price action unfolding, we have to pay attention to the recent price action to update our wave counts, and then see what is actually in front of us. I know lots of people got excited with this movement here, but look, this is just this movement from a larger pattern, and it's still corrective. Yeah, there's money to be made. Yeah, if you are trading and you notice this, yes, for sure. But just pay attention that it's not very clear at the moment that we are already going up in an impulse wave to higher highs. Even if we reach higher highs, could be like a brief moment in a wave B to go down to wave C. So this is the possibilities at the moment, so pay attention. The only cryptocurrency that at the moment I believe that could be finished, it's XRP, but I'll make a new video about that. So yeah, that's all for now, guys. Bye bye.